Incoming calls not ringing on your AT&T phone is a common issue. It typically stems from network problems, device settings, or software glitches. We'll explore these causes and provide step-by-step solutions. A key factor is AT&T's reliance on VoLTE, Voice over LTE, and 5G for calls. When the network is congested or experiencing outages, the ringing signal may not reach your phone. First, ensure Do Not Disturb mode is off on your device. On iPhones, check focus modes, which can silence incoming calls. Here's the focus settings screen on an iPhone. You can see various focus options like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Sleep, and Work. Make sure none are active that would block calls. On Android devices, check for similar settings that could be silencing your calls. This shows Android schedules and Do Not Disturb settings. You can set up schedules for work or other modes that control when calls are silenced. Review these to ensure calls can ring through. Also, check if you haven't accidentally blocked the caller's number. On iPhones, go to your phone settings to review the blocked numbers list. Here's the phone settings screen on an iPhone. The blocked contacts option is highlighted. Tap it to see your blocked numbers list. On Android devices, access the call settings to review and manage your blocked numbers list. This shows Android call settings with options like call rejection and set up call reject messages. Green arrows guide you to the relevant settings for managing blocked calls. Removing a number from this list will allow calls from that number to ring through normally. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches. Power off your phone, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the AT&T network, which can resolve connectivity issues that prevent calls from ringing. Give the phone a few moments to completely reconnect. Outdated operating systems like older versions of iOS or Android can conflict with AT&T's network settings. Check for software updates in your phone's settings and install any available updates. These updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that can address call ringing problems. Keeping your software up to date resolves 70% of these issues. For iPhone users, go to Settings and tap General, then Software Update. For Android users, open Settings, scroll to and tap System, then Software Update. Resetting your network settings can resolve misconfigurations that prevent calls from ringing. This will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and mobile network settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. On Android, the process varies, but is typically found under General Management or System and Settings. A faulty SIM card or eSIM can disrupt call routing because these components store your carrier information that allows your phone to connect properly to AT&T's network for incoming calls. For a physical SIM card, start by powering off your device and locating the SIM card slot, usually on the side or under the back cover. Remove the SIM card carefully using the provided eject tool or a paper clip. Inspect the card for any damage, such as scratches on the gold contacts, corrosion, or physical bends that could prevent proper connection. If you find damage, contact AT&T for a replacement SIM card. If it looks good, gently clean the contacts with a soft cloth and reinsert it firmly into the slot. If you use an eSIM instead of a physical card, the process is different. Contact AT&T support directly. They can remotely refresh or reprovision your eSIM profile, which updates the carrier settings and may resolve any call routing issues. For iPhone users, enabling Wi-Fi calling can significantly improve call reliability, especially in areas with poor cellular coverage. This feature allows your iPhone to make and receive calls over Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. Additionally, disable the Silence Unknown Callers feature to ensure you receive calls from numbers not saved in your contacts. This setting can sometimes block legitimate calls, causing them not to ring. If none of these steps work, contact AT&T support. They can check for network issues in your area and provide advanced troubleshooting. AT&T also offers AI-driven diagnostics in their support chatbots to help you with real-time fixes. If the problem persists, AT&T can investigate further and ensure your account and device are properly configured.